Ultra non-stick. Everything just slides right off the pan. Gotham Steel weighs less than frying pans of comparable size. No oil or butter needed for healthier cooking. 100% safe. PFOA, PTFE, and PFOS-free Safe for all cooktops. Dishwasher Safe. Please note, this isn't the Costco version. With a triply reinforced stainless steel exterior, a Ti-Cerama interior, this is one of the most powerful frying pans from Gotham Steel. The fry pan has a high-shine stainless steel chrome exterior that will elevate your kitchen. Non-stick, non-scratch, metal utensil safe, oven safe up to 500 degrees, flame-proof. Induction compatible. About the product, Gotham Steel is the first product of its class to actually utilize high-grade titanium and ceramic as surface finishing. This sophisticated combination not only ensures maximal durability, it also allows for multi-fictional, all-around usage. Titanium plus ceramic coating FAQs high-heat threshold to sear perfectly browned steaks. Everything just slides right off, even burnt chocolate and cheese. Food flavor is not altered when cooking tomato-based or any acidic food products thanks to the ceramic component. The non-stick surface cleans easy. Versatile. For stovetop cooking or baking. Rust-proof all over. Coating doesn't peel off with constant usage and washing. Just tell us and we will fix things for you. Top reviews from the United States. Absolutely the best non-stick pans we have ever found. This our third Gotham ceramic frying pan. We have used our other two larger Gotham pans for over a year now. They are durable, great looking and even heating. We replaced our all-clad 8 inches pan which had started to lose its non-stick coating, which, I guess, we ingested. Yuck. The Gotham pan coating has remained unblemished after a year of heavy daily use. We're tossing out all our older non-sticks and replacing them all with these excellent pans. Love them.